viewers, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel Creation. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet top design. Don't forget to subscribe. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. And you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Will remember in prayer. Take care. Stay with me and bye.